Hi! Today we'll learn how to create a JavaScript program with NodeJS and Axios on the server side. Let us get a quick overview of what we are trying to achieve with the tutorial. Download and install Node.js and setup environment. Open a free TraderMade data API trial. Set up Node.js to retrieve data. Parse data and output to screen. Before we begin, we will need the following: an elementary understanding of JavaScript, Visual Studio Code, and an API key. Check your installation by running the following command in the terminal. Sign up and create an account, and you will receive a welcome email. If you are already registered with us, log into your dashboard to get the key. Let's start. Navigate to a new folder and create a file. I am going to call mine dataclient.js. Open the terminal and install the Axios library, as it makes HTTP requests easy. Open the file using your favorite editor. First, we will import the Axios. Then we write a get command and pass in the URL for the live endpoints. We will add the currency we need and the API key as queries to the URL. We will log the response the server provides, and also add a catch to know if any error is thrown. To run the program, we go back to the terminal and run the following command. We get a raw JSON response as output visible in our terminal. Now we will do some work to iterate through the JSON data and output in a more readable format. We add an if statement to check for base currency, as CFD only has a single instrument file, rather than base currency and quote currency. We then pull out the bid and ask value for each quote and output it. If we run the program once again, we get a parsed output as follows. There it is. In this example, we used the live endpoint, but the same code with minor changes will work on all other TraderMade endpoints. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.